Good morning, students. So, continuing our chapter 4, tick, tick, tick. Now, we have to do some activities. You have to do these activities at your home and you have to note down the time as well as how many times you can do that activity. First, how many times can these activities take? Boiling 1 liter milk. You have to boil here 1 liter milk and you have to check the time. And you have to note down how many minutes this activity takes. Second, filling a bucket. You have to take your bucket, put under the tap, open the tap and check the time and note down the time in your notebook. Third, sweeping your room. Again, you have to note down the time in how many minutes you can sweep your room. Next, in 1 minute, how many times can you snap your finger? You have to snap your fingers, count it and note down. Then skip a rope. Again, you have to take a rope, skip a rope and you count your time in 1 minute. Then jump up and down. You have to jump up and down and you have to count the numbers. Then blinking of eyes. Again, you have to count how many times you can blink your eyes in 1 minute. And write all the answers in your notebook. Next, look around you and list the activities that may take about 1 hour to complete. You have to write down 5 or 6 activities that can take about 1 hour to complete. Here I have written some of the activities you can note down in your notebook. List of some of the activities that may take about 1 hour to complete is as under: dusting of house, digging a pit, baking a cake, setting the ice cream, drawing a scenery. These all activities may take about 1 hour or more than 1 hour to complete. Now next, this exercise again is given in your book, page number 42. Rani's diary. Comes, let's go to see my new baby sister. Ma, I have brought sweets for Munia. But she can't eat. She is too small. And she doesn't even talk. She will start doing all this slowly as she grows up. So, here Munia has written something about her baby sister, about the growth of her baby sister from January to December. I will note down in my diary when she first starts talking, eating, walking. 5th March 2005, Munia is born today. 15 September 2005, Munia got her first tooth. 10th November 2005, Munia sat up. 20th November 2005, Munia started crawling. 5 January 2006, Munia stood up. 5th September 2005, Munia ate a banana. 2nd February 2006, Munia started walking. So these are the pages in which Munia has written something about her baby sister. Now, you have to mark this in the correct order on Munia's timeline. These pages, they are not arranged properly. You have to arrange and you have to write down. This answer again you have to write in your notebook. So, on 5th March 2005, Munia was born. 5th September 2005, Munia ate a banana. Then 15th September 2005, she got her first tooth. Then 10th November, she stood up. 20th November, Munia started crawling. Then 5th of January 2006, Munia stood up. And 2nd of February 2006, Munia started walking. In this way, you have to arrange this Munia's timeline. You have to arrange these pages from Rani's diary and you have to write down the correct order on Munia's timeline. Next, Munia got her first tooth in September. How many months old was she then? How many months have passed from March to September? So, Munia was 6 months old when she got her first tooth. Munia was born on 5th March 2005 and she got her first tooth on 15 September 2005. So from March to September, 6 months. So 6 months have passed from March to September. Next question, how old was Munia when she first set up? So when she set up? On 10th November 2005. She was born on 5th March 2005. She first set up on 10th November 2005, means from March to November. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So some 8 months have passed. So Munia was 8 months old when she set up first. Next, she got her first tooth. First tooth कब हुआ उसको? 15 September. So Munia was about 6 months old when she got her first tooth. Next question, what did she do first? पहले उसने क्या walking और eating a banana. When she started walking, Munia started walking on 2nd February 2006 and eating a banana 5th September 2005. Munia started a banana, means first activity she has done was Munia started eating a banana. Next, crawling or standing. Crawling on 20th November 2005 and stood up 5th January 2006. So first she started crawling. Next question, lifespans and growth pattern. Rani had a pet puppy. After 2 weeks, it opened its eyes. She watched it grow like this. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. After 4 weeks, it started walking around but was still wobbling. It had a full set of teeth by the time it was 7 months old. After 1 year, it was grown-up dog and got its own puppies. So this is the lifespan of a dog. Now based on this lifespan, you have to write some answers. You have to solve it. Do these answers, do these questions again in your notebook. Now make a timeline of this dog's life in your notebook. So born, after 2 weeks, it opened its eye. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. After 4 weeks, started walking around but still wobbling. In 7 months, got full set of teeth. After 1 year, full grown up and got its own puppies. So this is the lifespan of a dog. You have to note down in your notebook. After 3 weeks, it got its first tooth and started eating. After 4 weeks, started walking around. Then in 7 months, got full set of teeth. And after 1 year, full grown up and got up its own puppies. Next question, note the difference between Munia and Rani's puppy. So difference between Munia's and Rani's puppy. First positions या actions, started walking. Munia ने कब start किया? After 11 months of her birth. And Rani's puppy after 1 month of its birth. Then ate food for the first time 6 months after her birth, after 3 weeks of its birth. Then got first tooth, Munia's का 6 months after her birth और Rani's puppy after 3 weeks of its birth. So this is the difference between Munia's and Rani's. You have to note down, you have to do these question answers in your notebook. So students, we have completed our chapter till page 44. Do all the questions and solve it in your notebook. We will meet in our next class. Till then, goodbye.